Hey guys, welcome back to Zoom, bro. We go play Arsenal today. That I'm so close to killing that person down below. How dare they delete me, man? It's been a while. I played Roblox. So I use like Talk to Dragon, other account. I use other Zoom friends as well. Ow. My friend not here to join me today because I'm going to play with my friend today, but he's not here right now. So I'm gonna make a video myself. The video gonna be uploaded soon, and I wish you guys like it. Also, I'm gonna edit and put songs on. Ow, damn it. I cannot lose it. But I've been so close to winning 12. You'll probably stop this game. One me track, like literally all 15, 11, 10. Freaking camping. Freaking camping, man. What? Oh my god, man. You always have to camp to kill me. Every single time. Just random dog. Got one. Got two. Got three. Ooh, they probably think I'm hacking. Straight up. Ah. Ouch. Problem. Hey guys, I'm back. So sorry for the problem. You see this? Like, everybody keep on. Oh man. Straight up. Like, straight up people don't like doing that. My friend uses Xbox to play. You want to use like this. Use that computer. Try to find a charger. Yeah, take a while to get the charger and stuff. You can play on computer. But for now, I guess we need to play. Yeah, as we're on. Ooh. 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 Ah, damn it, I'm losing. You always have it. You always have it. Mm. So what the frick? Of course, people could be behind me. Ah, sorry, I also did my mouse. It fell, and I had to connect it. Go. Oh, just playing my. Ow. Got one. You see, I'm much better with my mouse. What? Oh my god. People, like, I could not kill my one behind that. I have my mouse. So bad. Ding, 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 ding. Get default. Get default. Yeah.